The DateTime class is a modern, object-oriented way to handle dates and times in PHP. It provides a robust and flexible approach to date and time manipulation, offering numerous methods for formatting, modifying, and comparing date and time values. To create a DateTime object representing the current date and time, use the new DateTime constructor without any arguments. To create a DateTime object for a specific date, pass the date as a string to the constructor, such as 2024, December 25th. You can also include the time, such as 2024, December 25th, 15 hours, 30 minutes, 0 seconds. To format a DateTime object into a human-readable string, use the format method. Pass a format string to the format method to specify the desired output. For example, year-month-day will output the date in that format. Day/month/year will output the date in that format. Month-name-day-year will output the date in that format. Hour, minute, second will output the time in that format. Use the format method with format codes to display dates as needed. To modify a DateTime object, you can use the add and sub methods with the date interval object. For example, to add 1 day, use the add method with a date interval of P1D, which means period of 1 day. To subtract 2 hours, use the sub method with a date interval of PT2H, which means period of 2 hours. Alternatively, you can use the modify method with a string, such as +1 week or next Monday. DateTime objects can be compared directly using comparison operators such as less than, greater than, and equal to. For example, if date 1 is less than date 2, then date 1 is earlier. You can also use the diff method to get the difference between two DateTime objects. The diff method returns a date interval object, which contains information about the difference, such as the number of days. To create a DateTime object with a specific time zone, first create a DateTime zone object with the desired time zone, such as America/New York. Then, pass the DateTime zone object to the DateTime constructor. To change the time zone of an existing DateTime object, use the setTimeZone method. To get the time zone of a DateTime object, use the getTimeZone method and then getName method. The DateTime class provides several static methods for common tasks. createFromFormat creates a DateTime object from a string with a specified format. getLastErrors returns an array of errors that occurred during the last DateTime operation. DateTime Immutable is an immutable version of the DateTime class. Use DateTime Immutable for safer date operations. DateTime Immutable creates a new object when you try to change it. Always specify time zone when working with dates. It is very important to specify time zones when working with dates to avoid confusion and errors. The DateTime class provides powerful object-oriented date handling in PHP. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.